Okay, guys, welcome back. Just a short. You didn't hear from me at the racetrack Saturday. That's because there was no race this Saturday. Got all the way to Gainesville. Got to the track about 7:30, quarter to 8, and the gates were supposed to open at 8 o'clock. And I rolled in there, and there wasn't anybody around. I go, oh, wonder what's going on here. So I looked at my clock, and I said, yeah, I'm on time here. Wonder why there's nobody here. A few minutes later, another guy rolled up, and he was coming in the other direction. He rolled up and parked, and we both parked, and I turned my flashers on because I was in the turn lane. And I checked my phone, and it said, yeah, you're supposed to be here at 8 o'clock. So I called my wife at home. I said, check the computer and see if they're supposed to be racing today. She looked it up and said, yeah, it's supposed to be. I said, well, how about calling them? She called them, didn't get an answer, left the answer message on the machine. And sat there a few more minutes, and this other dude rolls up in some kind of BMW or Audi or something. He rolls up, motions, and he gets behind me. Then a few seconds later, he pulls up, and he rolls down his window and says, hey, I just checked. They canceled the races. I go, cancel the races? I said, cancel the races for what? He says, I just looked and it said for inclement weather. I go, are you kidding me? He says, no, it just popped up on their website. I said, I checked the website before I left. And he says, yeah, look up here on the top of the page. And I go, well, it wasn't there when I left. And sure enough, they looked on the radar and they called the races for the whole damn weekend. But before I left, I checked and it wasn't there. So can't believe my luck. Anyway, that's why you didn't see anything about the races. So I wasted all my time, drove all the way up there. But I felt worse for him because he was coming from Port Orange, which is downstate. So he drove a long ways. And I don't know why in the hell those clowns didn't do something. But anyway, there wasn't no races all weekend long. So here we are. I'm sitting in here at the Hellcat, and I just want to show you something. I'm getting more high tech. Look at there. Look what we got here. Got a damn GoPro in-car camera that we're going to be using. How about that? Old people can get some new tech. So I'm gonna be trying to use that as filming when I'm going down track, and you can see what's happening. See how that works. I guess that just gives me something else to make me forget about some of the other things on the run. But anyway, just want to tell you, let you know what was going on. I was going to make a short, but I talked too damn much, so it's not a short. But anyway, we're getting things ready, and hopefully head out to the track as soon as we have another opening, and find out what we're going to do. Got a big car meet coming up Friday here in Jacksonville, Friday afternoon at Fleming Island parking lot for O'Reilly's. Trying to get them guys to sponsor me and help. They're going to give me a couple of big tents to go over my car at the racetrack. Hopefully, we'll see. And until we make another video, appreciate you guys. Love all the guys. Got 142 subscribers. Love every one of you. Appreciate it. Wish everybody would do that. I looked on the internet on the channel, and had 3,500 views in the last 28 days. Just imagine if we got a little bit more of them to hit the subscribe button and like and share. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.